The Celltweet lotion. This is great for anyone having oily to combination skin, but also it can be used as a hand cream or a luxurious body lotion because of all the exosomes and ceramide that are present in the product. So what you need for the face, that amount is enough, and you can simply pat it onto the face. It's great for oily combination skin because it's in the form of a lotion, and as you can see, it's absorbed very readily. And also, if I want to use it as a hand cream, so around the hands, on the hand area, on the fingers, but also on the body as well. As you can see, it gives a really nice shine onto the skin, but hydrates the skin as well. So also good for anyone with problematic skin onto the body. So we have, of course, patients suffering from psoriasis, from redness, from eczema. So you can try to heal the eczema, the problematic areas, with this Celltweet lotion.